Konnichiwa, konbanwa. Once again, this is Michelle Sensei from the land of the rising sun, Japan. Let's have a quick time check. It's a 11:15, so it's a 10:15 in the Philippines. Okay, so today let's learn more Japanese. Okay? In this video, we are going to learn about fast and slow moving vehicles. Okay? And of course, mentioning that, we will learn about different kinds of vehicles in Nihongo. Okay? So let's get started. But before we get started, I want to bring out something very important. Tara! Try po. Masakit yun. Tara! Ang aking mahiwagang notebook kung saan nakasulat ang aking mga kodigo. Oh, if you're thinking that I'm very good in Japanese, no, I'm not. I'm learning Japanese and my Japanese level is actually like toddler level, and I think toddlers are far better than me. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so when we say slow, mabagal, it is osoy. Osoy. Okay, so please don't get confused osoy from usoy. Okay, usoy is light color. Remember, usui ao, it means light blue. We are talking about the speed. So, osoy. Osoy means slow. Okay, please repeat after me. Osoy. Osoy. Good job. Okay, so this time let's talk about fast. Fast. Mabilis. In Japanese, hayai. Hayai. Fast is hayai. Okay, so please repeat after me. Hayai. Hayai. Good job. Okay, let's have a quick test. So, what is the Nihongo for slow? Okay, so if you answered osoy, that's the correct answer. Good job. If you didn't get it correctly, nice try. Next, what is the Japanese for fast? Fast. What's your answer? Okay, so if you answered hayai, good job! You're a great student. Okay, this time let's learn about different vehicles. Okay, so let's start with bike or bicycle. Bike can be bike, or jitensha. Jitensha. One more time. Bicycle or bike, jitensha. Your turn, please repeat. Bike. Good job. Now please repeat. Jitensha. Good job. Okay, this time let's go to car. Car in Japanese is kuruma. Kuruma. Good job. So let's try it. Bike, jitensha. Good. Let's go to car. Car, kuruma. Car, kuruma. Excellent practice.
Ito yung isa sa mga sabaw moment na hindi mo na alam ang sasabihin mo.
Okay, this time let's go to train. Train in Nihongo is densha. Good job. Your turn, please repeat after me. Densha. Excellent job. Okay, let's practice one more time. What is bike in Nihongo? Good job. It is bike. Jitensha. Next, what is the Japanese for car? Car. Kuruma. Next, what is the Japanese for train? Train. Good job, it's densha. Okay, what about the very fast train or the bullet train? Bullet train. Bullet train in Japanese is Shinkansen. Shinkansen. Okay, so please repeat after me. Shinkansen. Shinkansen. Let's say it slowly. Shinkansen. Your turn. Please tell me. Shinkansen. Very good job. Okay, this time let's go to airplane. Okay, airplane. Aeroplano in Tagalog. What is the Nihongo for airplane?
Another sabaw moment.
Okay, so airplane in Japanese is hikoki. Hikoki. Okay, hikoki, airplane. Please repeat after me. Hikoki. Hikoki. Okay, your turn. Please tell me. Good job. You're doing really great. Okay, let's have a practice. What is the Nihongo for car? Car. Next, what is the Japanese for train? Train. I hope you're getting the correct answer. Next, what is the Japanese for bike? Bike. And lastly, what is the Japanese for airplane? Airplane. Okay, so I hope you got everything correctly. I know it's difficult, but then gambare. Let's keep on studying Japanese.
Here are some of my bloopers.
Here again, your mission.
Please like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Let's learn more Japanese. Watch out for part 2. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Mata ne!